Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you how to customize your MacBook because I think we all would like to make our MacBook look a lot cuter, look a lot more aesthetically pleasing and more to our liking. So without any further ado, let's get down to it. So when you open up my MacBook, this is what you see, and over here on the left I have all of the sites and places that I go to the most. So you have Google Chrome, YouTube, Instagram, collage kits, folder with all my presets that I've made, Netflix, and documents. And when you click on the link on the icon, you're directed to the place you need to go. So how to do that is you basically go to Google and then you just type in whatever site you want to have, and then you highlight the section and then you drag it onto your desktop, and then you can always rename it because it's not always that nice to have like a really long name. So that is basically how you do that. And I'm actually gonna like delete this because I already have a YouTube one over here. And to actually change the icon, because this looks more aesthetically pleasing, what you do is, it's super easy. You can do Instagram aesthetic logo, and then you actually get a bunch of different ones to choose from. So I'm just going to choose this one because like I already have it over here. And then you just right click and then you just save the image, and make sure that it's a JPEG image because otherwise the next step won't work. And then I'm just going to save it onto my desktop. And then I'm going to go and click on the image, and I'm going to click on this little icon over here, and then I'm going to go to this section and click on the elliptical selection, and I'm just going to zoom it out a little bit, and then I'm going to make a weird circle out of it. Okay, this looks really weird, but okay. There we go. And then I'm going to click on crop and then convert. And then I'm going to click on Command A and then Command C. And then I'm going to go to the Instagram, and then I'm going to click, I'm going to do a right click. Then I'm going to go to Get Info. And then I'm going to click on that little smaller section and then Command V. That you paste it. So you can't really see it change because it's the same one, but it just changes. So if I want to change the preset packs situation, camera aesthetic logo, I think I can do. Okay. So just to make sure I'm not doing the same one. So then you have, let's see, okay, this one. So then I'm just going to save the image, and as you can see, this is a PNG image, so that actually won't work, unfortunately. Okay, let's see if this one will work. Yes, so this is JPEG image. I'm going to save that. And then I'm gonna go and click on that, do the same marking thing, do a weird circle, then crop, and then Command A and then Command C, and then Get Info, Command V. Okay, I just realized it's the same image. Wow, like this is like not going well. But that is basically how you change all the icons on there. Now for the desktop, like the background, what you do is you go to Canva, because it's super easy and I just like using this and it's free. So then you just go to desktop wallpaper and choose a blank file background thing. Okay, so then what you do is you can find a bunch of different like photos, and then you can just like look through what you like and just save a bunch of those photos. Just do whatever. Quickly go through all the photos. Then you can go back to Canva and then you can just drag all of the photos onto the screen and you can make a collage. And now here I can see that I already have the ones that I had before, so I'm just going to drag them. And then you basically just want to place them however you want to place them, basically. So. So this is just like super quick, and then once you're done you can just download it, and then I just do a JPEG. Oh, I cannot say that word for some reason. And then you just download it. And then what you can do is then you what I do is, because it's like in the downloaded part, you just go to downloads, and I like to bring it to the documents section, and then I basically go to change desktop background, and then over here you see that you can change it, and then you've changed it, and I'm just going to delete all of these first because that just kind of looks ugly. So then you have your background, and that is actually super easy to do. So now on to the next bit, and that is to get a cool colored background on Google. So what you do is you click on these 3 little icons, dots actually, and then you go to settings, and then you go to appearance, and then you go to themes. So I'm just gonna reset the whole thing so you can like see it easily. Then I'm gonna go on themes, and then you have a bunch of different themes. So you have all of these different colors, so you can even see more ones. And right now the ultraviolet is screaming Mariam Ritzvi vibes, and you should definitely check out her channel down below. Yeah. So yeah. And then you can basically also go back, and they have a bunch of different themes. Some are nice, some are kind of ugly, but yeah. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna go view all, and then I'm gonna go back to this one. Okay, for some reason I already added it to the thing, so then I'm just gonna enable it again. But you can easily change it to different colors. So for example, if you want to have this color, then you can just add to Chrome, and then you can reset it to this. So just gonna go back here and change it to the one that I want. So that is that. I'm gonna go back to the settings and to the appearance section, because you can also customize the fonts if you want to, which is not necessary, but you totally can. So that's that. And you can like even customize the font size and all of those things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel down below. And if you want to see a review on the MacBook Pro with the touch bar, I think this is not like the latest edition, but it's like kind of newish still. But if you want to see a review on this, then let me know down in the comments below. And I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!